I do it for the ladies, but I gotta keep it hood. Where we at, Polo? Hey! I see you, Ryan. Yo, Keith, you was right. But we just getting started. Yeah, man.
You say you're searching for somebody that'll take you out and do you right. Well, come here, baby, and let daddy show you what it feels like. You know all you gotta do is tell me what you're sipping on. And I promise that I'm gonna keep it coming all night long. Shawty, I got a thing for you, yeah. Doing it on purpose, yeah, yeah. I can tell by the way you looking at me, girl. I wanna make love in this club. Better make love in this club, yeah. In this club, oh, oh, oh. I wanna make love in this club. Make love in this club, in this club, in this club, yeah. In this club, listen, you got some friends rolling with you, baby, then that's cool. Let them know that I got you. Hey, hey. If you didn't know, you're the only thing that's on my mind. 'Cause the way I'm staring at you got me wanna give it to you all night. Looking in your eyes while you're on the other side. I can't take it no more, baby, I'm coming for you. You keep doing it on purpose, finding it worth it. If you close our eyes, it could just be me and you. I wanna make love in this club, in this club, in this club. I wanna make love in this club, in this club, in this club. I wanna make love in this club, in this club, in this club. I wanna make love in this club, in this club, in this club. What you need, what you need. He got the trap, I set you free. Sexually, mentally, physically, emotionally. I be like your medicine. You'll take every dose of me. It's going down on 9-3. I bag it like some groceries. And every time you think about it, you gon' want some more of me. About to hit the club, make a movie, yeah, rated R. Pulled up like a trap star. That's if you had to ever made love to a thug in the club with his sights on. 87 jeans and a fresh pair of Nikes on. On the couch, on the table, on the bar, on the floor. Meet me in the bathroom. Yeah, you know I'm trying to go. Give me a kiss if we keep touching like this. I know you're scared, baby. They don't know what we do. When this book get undressed right here, keep it up, girl, and I swear I'ma give it to you non-stop. And I don't care who's watching.